Excuse me, English. Is it going towards Obernoy?
To where?
Obernoy?
Aubernay.
I'm going to look at it.
Is this train only, right? Which leaves like Celesat?
To Celesta, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
This will, right? It's
Okay,
11:43, right? Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Hi guys. Late हो गई. मैं बाहर खाने बैठ गई थी. अगर वो नहीं की होती तो मैं लेट नहीं होती. But it's okay. I think that is also. Anyway, मैं घूमने आई हूँ. वही टाइम. ऐसा मुझे पसंद है टाइम पे, है ना. कभी कभी तो चलता है. Let's see टाइम पे पहुँच जाए. अब अपन ओबरनॉय आ गए हैं. Let's see कितना अमेज करता है ये टाउन मुझे. ये वैलीज के बीच में सिचुएटेड है. आई थिंक दिस Alsace region is much beautiful in the summer. If you come in summer, much easy to explore. इस ट्री को क्या बोलते हैं, किसी को पता? Wow, beautiful house. Let's go to church if it's open then. लेकिन चर्च बंद है शायद. It's closed. It's closed. So beautiful. It's like very fairy tale. Small stream. Lots of water here for sure. Traditional well. Beautiful. Beautiful, cute town. It has very beautiful vibe. I can't explain this feeling I am having. See, cute laughter. France people in France, I have seen so many salons. Like they are very much obsessed with their hairs, and every place you will find one of them. In just every street I would say. This is my observation actually. I'm not saying this could be the truth. Could be the other way.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire. Like a wildfire.
This is cute. And this is me. It's closed.
Whatever the plan.
Literally a beautiful town. And there is a tower, church tower I would say. And there is a cathedral, I think. Let's go and see.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire. Like a wildfire.
I think it closed है. Oh. So many desserts. See, this is chocolate dog. Chocolate dog. It's full of chocolate. How beautiful they made, right? Let's go somewhere and it's time for drink. Coffee or tea. Hot tea. I think ये भी जो time है, it's good because it's not that cold either and not that hot either. So beautiful. This all are German style house made with all woods. Like the frame are actually wood. There is no concrete or pavement. You can see these all are wood. It's beautiful, cute. Pink windows. It's not pink. It's kind of pink. It's nice. Different structure. Pole culture. They are very obsessed with their hairs. A lot of. Till now, I have seen 5 to 6 hairdresser, like within like 1 kilometer. They're still intact there. This German style house, which I don't find much in many places in Germany now. Because this is a small town, therefore it is there. Otherwise it could be the high chance that this also could get modernized. I think that is a perk of traveling to the old towns or small towns which still have the feeling of 14th century. 16th century perhaps, or 15th, or even 19th century somewhere. See in that house, they have painted on the roof. See, one thing for sure, if you're coming to Europe, or if you are in Europe and thinking of visiting to different places, make sure you have to walk a lot, and therefore wear comfortable shoes, otherwise you will be not able to walk. As you can see, they all are paddle stones and heels are not good for that, and I wore boots since it's a winter time. Yeah, this is my boots and it's pretty comfortable for me to walk. Yesterday I walked around 20,000 steps, which were this. If you see here in this house, borders. Do you know which border they are? It's very familiar. I have seen in many bags strap. Yes, yes, now I remember. So let me know which brand makes the strap like this. Let's see. Let's go inside if it's open.
I'm going with you and I will get to the other side.
Hello. Can I film? What I understood, like in Europe, many people come to this kind of small town and stay here for 2 to 3 days and enjoy very slow life, like eat and then get up and sleep and then get up and then go for eating, spend there almost 2 hours, eat and talk, mostly talk, go around, walk around for a few minutes, not minutes, do cycling and more, and then I can go home. So I got maki, and today I got to know difference between maki and sushi, because the maki I always thought as a sushi, and I got to know maki is different and sushi is different. I will show you what I bought. It's my maki. Yeah. So this is maki. This is maki, which I always thought like a sushi, but this is maki. And I got sauce, sweet sauce, soy sauce, wasabi, ginger. I love their ginger. Yeah, this is ginger, and they are the sweet and sauce. Okay. Pharmacia. See how beautiful Pharmacia. Pharmacia is like a pharma or apothecary, or what I should say, medicine shop. यहाँ के हर घर में ऐसे छोटे छोटे विंडोज हैं, बहुत छोटे छोटे। ये लाइन वो देखो रूफ में। This is not a German house. Looks like the same, but not with that small windows. So it's, I think they are mix of France and German houses. Let's go and try cheese. Different type of cheese, this green cheese and all.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is what we call the mountain cheese. So
Yeah.
you have the Comté, that's like the most famous classic French cheese. Every French person has that in their fridge.
Oh,
right?
okay.
It can go from 6 months age to 36 months age.
Oh, it's look like a Parmigiano.
Yeah, so the older it gets, the more salt crystals you're gonna have on it. So it's gonna crunch. a little bit when you eat it.
And you eat this mostly with wine.
Yeah, actually
Like
every cheese.
Ah.
People love to eat cheese with wine. It's
Yes.
usually goes together pretty well. Same with Beaufort, very classic French cheese.
So what's the
Very good.
difference between they both?
The taste is very different, and also this one doesn't have salt crystals.
Ah.
Only the Comté has it.
Oh,
Same for this one. It has a little bit of salt crystal, but it's only 7 months age. The salts usually start to form at 8-10 months.
after
only.
8 to 10
Yeah.
months. Okay, so
Not
this
this
is more.
This is
older.
24 months already.
Oh, so they are all same. It's just they are different
So the
stages.
taste and the texture are different.
Yeah, as older you got, you will get more crystal, right?
Usually, yeah, that's the rule.
Okay.
Absolutely. Then you have the Munster, which is the typical cheese from here.
I have seen these in
Yeah.
German shops, but I never tried
It's
this.
actually very strong.
Okay.
I mean, it gets stronger. The more you wait to eat it, the stronger it gets.
And
It's starting to melt a little bit, and
Ah.
it's getting quite flavorful.
okay.
But you can cook it very easily.
Oh, it's like a cooking cheese,
Yeah.
like halloumi.
You can eat it this way, or you
Oh.
can put it in the oven with potatoes, bacon,
Oh,
onions.
so like
It's
for
really good.
baking.
Yeah, you can
Ah.
absolutely bake with it.
Yes. And
Then you have pesto.
yes.
Then you have the cheese that we use for raclette. Do you know raclette? It's a typical French dish that you have little pans actually, and on the pans you put the slice of this cheese. You let it melt and you eat it with charcuterie,
What is structure?
delicatessen.
Uh,
Just like ham and
okay.
salami, and you eat it all together and you heat it up.
Okay. Is there any particular dish which I can try with cheese, but they are not like a meat?
There are no meat on it. Usually we mix the two. You can eat the very good cheese meal you can eat is fondue.
Fondue.
Yeah.
I have heard this fondue.
Cheese fondue is actually bread you dip in the melted cheese.
Ah.
So there's no ham or anything.
Oh, okay. Ah, nice.
And you eat it with, you can eat it with potatoes.
Do like right now if I want to go somewhere to eat,
Yeah.
but I can eat fish, which is not possible here.
To eat fish?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course you can.
But this is not a region of like sea or
It's
river.
not a sea region, but anywhere in France you can always find fish.
Fish. Okay.
It's not as fresh as if it's
Yeah.
in the coast, obviously.
Yeah.
But
So
no, we can find good fish.
that would be like a salmon, right?
No, we can have
Different.
anything, any fish.
Ah.
Yeah, if you
Is-
go to any supermarkets, you're gonna have plenty of different fish.
Actually, I want to try something traditional,
Yeah, but yeah,
but with no meat.
but with no meat, right?
Yeah.
I mean, difficult because this region is usually we eat a lot of meat.
Yes.
and,
Yes.
Yeah, traditionally, I mean,
Yeah.
there are vegan places. Here.
But
There
that
are
is not
vegetarian.
French
But
traditional.
it's not specialty from here. I'm
Yeah.
thinking, no, you know what you can try, but there's only a few restaurants that make it. Have you heard of choucroute?
No.
Choucroute is a traditional Asian dish.
Okay.
Usually, it's basically I forgot the name in English. Cabbage.
Ah, yes.
It's cabbage. It's very thin slice.
Yes.
Usually marinated in wine.
Ah.
Okay.
Okay.
And usually it's with ham and sausage, but
Ah.
they have the fish version of that.
Oh, so I can
You can
eat.
find choucroute au poisson, like a fish choucroute.
Ah, okay.
There's a famous place you can eat it in Strasbourg.
Oh, where?
It's the oldest house in the city. It's called, I need to show you.
So in Strasbourg, right?
Yeah.
Ah, and that's great that because after going to bar, I will go back to where I am staying.
You're not going to Strasbourg anymore?
I'm going to Strasbourg today
So-
only.
It's called the Kammerzell.
Okay, let me.
I'll show you. It's in the cathedral. Yeah, the
Ah.
cathedral is
Yes.
just right there at the corner.
Oh,
It's a bit pricey
yes.
because it's a bit touristic, but the food is good.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yes.
And then you have the choucroute it's called choucroute with 3 fish, basically.
Ah,
So you have salmon and 2 other fish. I can't remember which one.
Yeah.
So you have no meat.
so that is also traditional.
This is also a traditional
Okay.
version of the choucroute
Yeah.
from here.
Thank God.
Alright.
Because I was thinking this time I won't be able to try any like a.
No, it's okay. So, and you see, the Kammerzell is the oldest house in Strasbourg. It's with a K. I'll show you.
Okay. Okay. Camel.
It's beautiful, beautiful building.
I think I have understood. Yeah, it's
And they're famous for this choucroute with the fish. Okay?
okay. So right now what happened? I was in cheese shop and I tried different cheese and then I saw truffle cheese and I was like, what the how I can resist that? I love truffle and truffle is a kind of mushroom which is available in this Europe region. It's not that yet famous like throughout the world, but many people love it. And if you love it, then you can't resist. And therefore I bought truffle cheese. Yeah, I will try it and for sure it will not sustain longer because I will eat before I reach to my home. But I am very happy. Truffle cheese is always like yum. Fondue, yeah. I heard about this fondue. Let's try somewhere. Cute shop. Oh, see this cutie baby. In evening it will be more beautiful. A hidden place, I don't know what is that place. Let's go and explore. Maybe it's the washroom place or what. Or at least I will go and have a place to sit. Cute puppy. Hmm. This is a boundary of the Auburnay and it's still intact. So this is one of the place where the boundaries are still intact and they have just beautified with these trees and made a footpath like this. But it's there around the entire old town of the Auburnay. So if you see, this was a castle and people were living inside. See? This. A forte. Beautiful tree. See? It's looking like a nest. Hand came like this. It's like a red carpet for us guys. Just go into the red carpets. Somewhere it will lead us. आप पता चला रेड कार्पेट का कॉन्सेप्ट कहाँ से आया? यहाँ से, ताकि आपको पता रहे जाना कहाँ है, बीच में नहीं चले जाना है। वो सामने वाला घर कितना प्यारा लग रहा है। The color combination, I love it. Right now I just met a most beautiful and wonderful couple. Now I will put a picture, we took a photo. I will put in the video as well. And they were so lovely. I was taking a picture of the house and they yet came in front of me. It's not they wanted, it's just they came. So instead of getting like a worry that their photo is coming or I am about to take the photo or something like that, or they are coming in my film, they instead pose and I take their photos. Oh, it was lovely. I loved it. See, another hair salon. They are literally obsessed, guys. Again, back to zero. So we have covered entire routes. We have went all. Yes. Now heading back to another city, guys. I came in the most of the, not most, but very beautiful restaurant. The decoration, like full Valentine's Day decoration. Now going to Bar. Bar is a place, like it's a small town in Alsace region. Let's see how it looks like.
Catching a